Children, today we will discuss the second last topic of chapter relation and function. Today we are going to discuss composition of functions and invertible function. So what is composition of function? In practical language, composition of function means combining more than one function into one. Means suppose two function fx and gx are given, and if we are combining the two function to get a final another result, then that combining of function is called composition of function. Now take one example. Let fx is given x square plus 2 and gx is another function sin x. So we are combining these two functions f and g, f function here, g function here. If we are writing it like this, f of g, fog means f o for of g, function f and function g are combined together. This is called composition of function. Together the function is called composition. What is fog and what is gof here now? Fog means now see in this case fx, x is what? Domain. So in this case fog, g will become domain of function f. Suppose we have to find the value f2. So what do we do? Put x equals to 2 in the given equation. So 2 square plus 2, that is 4 plus 2, 6 is the function value of the function f2. Now in this case f of g means g is the domain here. G is the domain here. Like suppose we are finding f2. In this case 2 is the domain. So put the value 2 here, 2 square plus 2. Or suppose we are finding f3. Suppose we are finding f3, then 3 becomes domain. So 3 square plus 2, that is 3 square 9 plus 2 11 is the answer. So in this case two functions are combined and g becomes the domain. In this case g of f becomes the domain. F becomes the domain. So this way whatever is on the right side is the domain, whatever is on the left side is whatever is the right side is the domain, and this is the function. So the domain of this function will be g. So write f of gx, this is the domain. What is domain now? Domain is the function of f. Fx was the function. So fx was a function. So in place of this x function, when x was the function, we are writing x here as the domain. So when we have f as the function, so write x square plus 2. What was x? X was the function gx. Let me explain again. Suppose this is the domain, so or suppose f3 is the domain, we write 3 square plus 2. In this case gx is the domain, so leave it as gx. So gx is domain here. What is domain? X is the domain. So write x, we are writing x square plus 2. So in place of x square we have to write gx square plus 2. Now what is gx? Gx is another function, sin x. So in place of gx write sin x, sin square x or sin x whole square plus 2. Now we are finding g of f. Now f is the domain, but function is g. So whatever is the function, write that function. Sign of the function is given. Here we have function g, so write the equation sin x. But in place of x is domain, write fx as the function. What is fx here? X square plus 2. So this way we combine fog and gof. Look at this again. F is the function, write x square plus 2, but x is domain is replaced by gx function. Gx means replace this by sin x. Same way this g is the function, Here g is the function because it is the left side, g is the function. So write function sine x. But in place of x, we have the function fx. So in place of fx, write value of fx. Clear? Same way, hx is suppose mod x another function. So if we are taking out value of hog means h is the primary function and g is becomes its domain. So first of all, we have to take this h as the main function. What is the value of this function? Mod of that domain. Domain is what? Gx function. Gx is sin x. So in place of this, write sin x. Now suppose we have three functions like this. A is mapped to B and B is mapped to C. A is mapped to B and B is mapped to C. What is the relationship between A and B, first function and second function? Fx is equals to 2x. Means the second function is twice of the first one. Clear? And what is the relationship between the second and the third? X plus 5 means this plus 5, this plus 5, this plus 5, this plus 5. So from this Venn diagram, suppose we are taking Goff or fog. Suppose we are taking Goff. G is the function and f is the domain. G is the function and fx is the domain. So G is the function, first one is the function and this is the domain. We can see that fx plus 5, 2x plus 5. This becomes 2x plus 5. But this multiplied by 2, we are getting this plus 5. So directly this way we are getting A to C. Clear? But if we are taking fog, taking out the value of fog, on solving this further, we can see that we are getting this 2x plus 10. So is it possible that Goff is equal to fog? This is not equal. We can see that this is not equal. So every time fog and Goff is not equal. Clear? Now let us see one more example. Suppose this is f is a function. These are the elements given 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain and this is the range 3, 4, 5, 9. Same way, g is another function. G is another function where the domain is this and the codomain is this. Now what is the difference between domain, codomain and range? For that I am sending another pic. So this is also given f2 is equals to 3. f2 is equals to 3 means when 2 is domain, we are getting 3 as the range. When f3 means 3 is the domain, then we are getting 4. Same way f4 is equals to 5 and f5 is also equals to, in this case it is given 5. G3 is equals to G4 is equals to 7. In this case, this 3 and 4 both are equal to 7. And G5 is equals to G9 is equals to G11. G5, G9 and G11 are equal. Sorry, they are equal to 11. So in this case, we have to find Goff. G of f. This will be equals to, now this is the domain. So write this as domain. So in place of fx, suppose we are finding f2 value. So f2 is equals to 3. In place of this, we are writing 3. And what is the value of G3 now? G3 is equals to 7. G3 is equals to 7 given. Clear? Now suppose we have to find G of f3. So what is the value of f3? f3 is 4. So remove this f3 by 4. So we have to take out the value of G4. Search the value of G4. search the value of G4. This is G4. G4 is equals to 7. This way we get the numerical value of fog and Goff. Let us see one more. If f of r tends to r and g of r tends to r is given by fx cos x, means two functions are given, fx function is given and gx function is given. Show that this is not, fog is not equal to Goff. So let us take out Goff, then fog. Goff, g is the function, f is the domain. G is the function, f is the domain. So write g, then write fx. This is domain. But we have to write the function of g first. What is the function of g? Search. What is the function of g? 3x square. 3x square. So write 3x square. What is x? X is replaced by fx. So put the value of fx here, cos x. 3 cos x whole square. This becomes 3 cos square x. Same way f fog. In this case, f is the function, this is domain. F is the function, g is domain. So write the function of x. Whatever is written first, write the function of that value. Suppose, see this slowly. Function f is given. So write function f. This is what? Cos x. Right? Cos x. But in place of x, like in this case, in place of x, in place of this value, write the value of this function. What is the value of this function? 3x square. So write 3x square. We can see that these two values are not equal.